In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, link, and customize a button on your website. Whether you're building a professional site for your business or just tweaking a personal project, buttons are essential elements that guide your visitors and make your website interactive and engaging. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, let's talk about adding a button to your page. The first thing you want to do is look towards the left side of your interface, where you'll find a plus icon labeled Add Elements. This icon is your gateway to a variety of features you can integrate into your site. Click on that plus icon to open up a menu. Now in this menu, find and click on Buttons, which will present you with a range of button templates to choose from. These templates are designed to suit different styles and functionalities, so take a moment to browse through them. Once you've settled on a button design that fits your website's theme and purpose, select it. Now, simply drag and drop the selected button onto your desired spot on the page. With a few simple clicks, you've successfully added a button. Next, let's link that button to your target location or content. Click on the button you've just added to your page. You should see a toolbox pop up with several options. Among these options, you'll find a link icon. Click it. This is where you're given the opportunity to decide what type of link you want to add. Choices might include linking to another page on your site, an email address, a document, or an external website. Select your preferred link type and proceed to fill in the relevant link information, whether it's a URL, a page in your website, or an anchor point. Once you've entered the necessary details, click Done, and just like that, your button is now linked and ready to guide your website visitors where you want them to go. Finally, let's move on to customizing your button, so it truly stands out and aligns with your site's design. For this, click on your button once more. However, this time you'll want to choose the Design button from the options that appear. You'll find yourself presented with two main choices. Reselect the template you initially picked, or go a step further by clicking the Customize button option at the bottom. This customization menu allows you to modify various aspects of the button, such as its color, font style, size, border, and more, all to fit the unique aesthetic of your site. Feel free to get creative and experiment with different combinations until the button looks exactly how you envisioned. And there you have it, a button added, linked, and customized to perfection. By following these steps, you can enhance the user experience on your website efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching.